Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and enter more security and privacy. And here we've got the option install apps from external sources, so let's tap. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content, basically some apps. And of course, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember with that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.